Do you see what I mean?
As long as I come from here, I found out this is just bullshit. Come from here, I have to go down in my body and feel. And if that actually changed, that actually do the appreciation. Like I didn't do them just 3 times a day. I do literally like this. I love you. I appreciate you. It's like, and when you say I love you long enough, your body will actually believe, because it starts with a lie. I told all my clients for years, you have to love yourself. You have to appreciate yourself.
Mm-hmm.
And a part of me did, but a part of me didn't.
A lot of people are like, yeah, I don't know how to love myself. If I would have been able to, I would have done this a long time ago. But it's not about like forcing yourself to love yourself. It's a process, like you just said. You start with things, smaller things, and then you start getting into this appreciative mode, and then you continuously come closer towards loving yourself. The moment you feel